A gloomy first full day of spring. This is student meteorologist Zach Duhaime with the great forecast for this afternoon. Not any blue skies to be found. Still some buds forming on the trees, so we're finally getting that springtime look out there with some buds in the trees, but overall not going to be good forecast throughout the next, let's say, 36 hours. We have to get through the next 36 hours. Temperatures not too cold, but still in the mid-40s, 44 here in Danbury, 46 in New London. We should be closer to 50, so below average, and that's going to continue through the day tomorrow and Saturday, but then we have better news for later on in the weekend. So it's stormy Thursday night. If you have any plans tonight, don't suggest going out. Lots of rain, some wind after probably 8 or 9 o'clock, especially towards midnight, but some light snow possible in some locations Friday evening to early Saturday morning. Probably not accumulating to much of anything. In the hills, could leave a quick inch or so down there. Not impossible with the setup. I'll show you why in a second. Weekend, cold to start, then warm to end. I'll show you what it's looking like for Sunday, which is by far will be the pick of the weekend. The satellite, a wider view I want to show you. We have the surface low pressure right down here to the south. Here's Connecticut. This is moving in our general direction, and that's going to impact us with rain and wind tonight. One thing I want to point back to the west. Here it goes again. Here's your upper level disturbance. This is going to swing through and bring in the colder air for Friday evening, and that's what we're talking about. Maybe some chance for some snow as well as the wind for Friday evening into early Saturday morning. So current radar, light rain popping up in western Connecticut. Now the heaviest down in the south. This is all moving up across evening hours. By 2 o'clock in the morning, it's going to be pouring heavily across the state. You're going to see bands of rain moving from the southwest, southeast to northwest across the state as the low pressure kind of moves just like this. You can see in this map, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. The morning commute probably drying out, but still a spotty shower or two possible. Here's your low pressure system moving just like that along the southeast coast of Connecticut. And notice the blue back to the west, we get colder to wrap in. So it's dry for most of tomorrow, but by tomorrow evening, 10 o'clock, some snow may come down, especially in the northeast and northwest hills. We kind of have this upsloping snow effect, we call it. So the winds blow against the mountains and cause a lift, and that's how you get your snow. So it could be a quick inch or two maybe in the extreme northwestern Connecticut. Everywhere in Connecticut, won't rule out a flake. So it's springtime. It's not crazy, guys. We've had some major spring snowstorms, not a major deal, but don't be surprised to see some flakes flying. And on Saturday, that storm wraps up, but it's very chilly and breezy. Wind gusts of probably 30, 40 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 40s. But by Sunday, here's the kicker of the forecast. Look at this, mid to upper 50s, lots of sun, so much better. The pick of the weekend will obviously be Sunday. Tonight's forecast, rain heavy at times, becoming breezy as well. Not a good night. The heaviest rain between about 10 p.m. and about 6 a.m. tomorrow. Then some lighter showers tomorrow morning. May clear up for the afternoon for a little bit, then maybe some evening and the late overnight snowflakes. Again, maybe snow showers, snow flurries. The northeast and northwest hill could pick up a quick coating to an inch, maybe a little bit more if you get enough cold air to work in. So that's your forecast for Friday. Saturday, flurry early, then breezy, still chilly. Sunday, much better, mid-50s, lots of sun. Monday to Tuesday, there's a little system around. I have to watch it closely. Some models indicate could be a few wet flakes in there. Right now, I'm going with showers, but look at this temperature, 50 Monday, 30 on Tuesday. So your classic springtime roller coaster temperature change. That's what we're seeing in the upcoming forecast. This is student meteorologist Zach Duhaime. Enjoy the rest of the week.